Hi, good morning to everyone. Last session, we have discussed treatment of consumable items such as sports materials, stationery items, medicines, etc. The formula will be used while preparing income and expenditure account and balance sheet. Final accounts consist these two steps, income and expenditure account and balance sheet. Formula to be followed while showing under income and expenditure account is opening stock plus purchases minus closing stock. Is there any sales is given? It will be shown on the credit side of income and expenditure account. Again, closing stock will be appearing under balance sheet asset side. Today's session, we are going to do sums from treatment of incomes and expenses pertaining to specific funds. Specific fund in the sense match fund, prize fund and tournament fund. So these funds will be shown on the liability side, and specific fund investments account is to be shown on the asset side of the balance sheet. Incomes and expenses relating to the specific fund account should not be recorded in income and expenditure account. So the fund related incomes and expenses, if anything, any income, any amount increasing, the fund to be added. If any amount decreasing, the particular fund should be deducted from the particular fund account. If interest is received on specific fund investment for the current year, then it should be added along with the fund account on the liability side. So based on these principles only, we are going to do sums. Take sum number 17. Chennai Tennis Club had match fund showing credit balance of 24,000 on 1st April 2018. That means year beginning match fund value shows 24,000. Receipt to the fund during the year was 26,000. So this 26,000 will be increasing the fund amount. We have received some amount for match fund during the year. So if any amount increasing that match fund should be added. Match expenses incurred during the year was 33,000. So any amount decreasing the match fund should be deducted from the match fund account. So how these items will appear in the final accounts of the club for the year ended 31st March 2019. Already I have explained to you, final accounts consist income and expenditure account and balance sheet. Already I have clearly told income and expenses of fund will not be appearing under income and expenditure account. So directly we have to prepare balance sheet. So write the heading, we have to use both the sides of our account notebook. Center of the page, write the heading balance sheet of Chennai Tennis Club as on 31st March 2019. Create asset side and liability side. So write the match fund opening balance 24,000. Again, during this year, we have received amount 26,000. This may increasing the match fund. This amount should be added along with match fund. So 50,000. If any amount decreasing, we met expenses for match. So that this 33,000 may be decreasing our match fund. So it should be subtracted from this amount. So 50,000 minus 33,000. Outer column year end match fund amount shows 17,000. One more thing, if they have given any match fund investment, will be shown, if it is given, will be shown under asset side. If they have received any interest on investment, so that may increasing the match fund. If it is given interest on investment, it may increasing the match fund. So in that situation, that amount should be added along with match fund. Clear? Then move on to sum number 18. How will the following appear in the final accounts of Karaikudi Sports Club for the year ending 31st March 2019? Once again, final accounts consist two steps: income and expenditure account and balance sheet, whereas fund, specific fund, whatever it may be, prize fund, match fund, tournament fund, the word is given like this, it will be shown one and only under the balance sheet. So tournament fund on 1st April, that means beginning, value shows 90,000. Tournament fund investment on 1st April. So they have invested this amount in the bank or somewhere, 90,000. Interest received on tournament fund investment. So they are receiving interest for this investment. How much? 9,000. Donation to tournament fund, 10,000. Tournament expenses, 60,000. So tournament fund year beginning 90,000 we had, and then we are receiving interest. So this may increase our tournament fund, should be added. Again we have received donation for the tournament fund. Again it may increasing the tournament fund, 10,000 should be added. Then tournament expenses, decreasing the tournament fund, it will be subtracted. Then the next one, tournament fund investment will be shown on the asset side of the balance sheet. Let me see how to prepare balance sheet. Right, heading balance sheet of Karaikudi Sports Club as on 31st March 2019. Create asset side and liability side. Opening balance of tournament fund 90,000. Again, we have invested that fund 90,000 in bank or somewhere else. So that is an asset. So write it under asset side 90,000. For this investment, we have received interest 9,000. So this 9,000 should be added, increasing this tournament fund. So it should be added. Again, during this year, we have received donation 10,000. This is also increasing the match fund. Again, it should be added. So 1,09,000 match fund value shows at present. Then during this year, we made tournament expenses 60,000. So this is the income for tournament fund. Then we made expenses. So 1,09,000 minus 60,000. Remaining balance tournament fund year end shows 49,000. Here you need not get confused. Liability side we got 49,000. Asset side we got only 90,000. We need not balance. They asked us to show how this item appear in final accounts. That's all. We need not balance the asset side and liability side. The amount which we are getting, we have to write as it is. Look at sum number 19. Compute capital fund of Salem Sports Club as on 1st April 2019. So read the particulars column. Sports equipment, computer, subscription outstanding for 2018 and 19. Subscription received in advance for 2019-20. Prize fund investments, cash in hand, cash at bank. So these details are related to balance sheet. So how this we have to find out capital fund. What is the formula for finding capital fund? Assets equal to capital plus liabilities. Assets details are given. So segregate the assets and liabilities. So the differences between asset side and liability side, that amount which we are getting is called capital. So let me do the sum. Center of the page, write the heading Balance Sheet of Salem Sports Club as on 1st April 2019. We are segregating the assets and liabilities. Just come according to the question. First item, sports equipment. It is an asset, so write it under asset side 30,000. Next one, computer. Again, asset side 25,000. Subscription outstanding for 2018 to 19. That means yet to be received. Current year subscription outstanding. So it is also an asset 5,000. Then subscription received in advance. It is a liability. That means next year's subscription now itself we have received. So according to us it is a liability. So we are showing under liability side. Again, already previous sum itself I have told to you, price fund. If the word price fund is given, it will be shown under liability side. Price fund 10,000. Next one, price fund investment. We have invested that amount in bank. So it is an asset. So write it under asset side. Price fund investment 10,000. Then as usual, cash in hand, cash at bank, both are asset. 7,000 and 21,000. So which side is higher totally? Asset side. If we add all these items, we got 98,000 total. So write the highest total both the sides, asset side and liability side. 98,000, 98,000, the same line. So asset side total 98,000. Look at liability side. Liability side 10,000 plus 8,000. Only two items so far we have written. So 98,000 minus 18,000. So the difference between these two sides is called capital. We got 80,000. So write the word capital fund balancing figure 80,000. So in this sum we found capital fund. Now read question number 20. From the following information, now look at sum number 20. From the following receipts and payment account and from the information given below of Ramanathapuram Sports Club, prepare income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st December 2018 and balance sheet as on that date. So they asked us to prepare two steps, income and expenditure account and balance sheet. While preparing income and expenditure account, we have to follow some norms. Just recall what are the norms to be followed. No opening and closing balance will be appearing in income and expenditure account. So omit this one, BD, balance BD and balance CD. And then only current year transaction alone we have to take it for income and expenditure account. Then third one, only revenue transaction. It may be revenue receipt or revenue expenditure. Capital receipts and capital expenditure will not be appearing under income and expenditure account. And then non-cash items also to be appearing under income and expenditure account. So based on this rule only we are going to prepare. So the first one, balance BD and CD, we need not consider about this one. And then while writing subscription, so what are the things given under receipt side? It will be shown on the income side of income and expenditure account. That means credit side. These payment items will be appearing under expenditure side of income and expenditure account. That means debit side. Entrance fees is given, general donation, sale of old sports material, miscellaneous receipts. Then move on to payment side, rent, entertainment expenses, both are revenue transaction. So it appears under expenditure side. That means debit side. Look at furniture. That means they might have purchased furniture. That is capital expenditure. So we have to omit this one, furniture. Then look at the next one, by sports material purchase. By match expenses, investment made. Investment is made also not recurring in nature. So it is also capital expenditure. We have to omit this one also. Investment made also we have to omit. Furniture won't appear. By investment made also won't appear. Cash in hand, cash at bank, closing balance also won't appear under income and expenditure account. Now additional information, capital fund is given. This amount will be used while preparing balance sheet. Look at the next adjustment. Opening stock of sports material. That means year beginning sports material. Closing stock of sports material value is given. Do you remember? We have done sum number 14, 15 and 16. Consumable items of sports material. Which formula we have used there? Opening stock plus purchases of sports material minus closing stock. Understood? By using this formula only, we are going to show this sports material. Clear? So let me see how to do this answer. Write the heading. In the books of Ramanathapuram Club income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st December 2018. Look at the first one. Create column, expenditure side and income side, debit side and credit side based on nominal account rule. Debit the expenses and losses. So we have written expenditure under debit side. Credit income and gain. So credit side, income column. First, look at payment side in your question. First one, rent. It is a revenue expenditure. So it will appear under debit side. To rent. Entertainment expenses also revenue expenditure. So we are showing here. And then third one, furniture. Already I have explained it is a capital expenditure. So we have to omit this one. Then while writing sports material, bring the formula here. Opening stock. Look at the adjustment under the tabular column. Opening stock of sports material 3000. Now look at the question inside the tabular column under payment heading. Sports material purchase, then minus closing stock. Use the formula here, sum number 14, 15. Opening stock plus purchases minus closing stock. So remaining amount will be shown under outer column, 11,000. So after sports material purchase, come according to the question. Next item is match expenses. It is a expenditure. So show it under revenue expenditure. Show it under debit side. Investment made, already I have told to you. This one, it is a capital expenditure, so it won't appear. Then, now look at the income side. That means look at the question, receipt side, come one by one. First item, balance brought down, should be omitted. Then next item, subscription, we have to take only current year. 2018, 33,000. Then next entrance fees, it is a revenue receipt. So it is appearing under credit side 6,000. General donation also revenue receipt 7,000. Sale of old sports material, it is an income. Revenue receipt, so 1,000. And then miscellaneous receipts 500. Only revenue transaction alone will be shown under income and expenditure account. Now add credit side. Credit side total 47,500. So write the highest total both the sides. Debit side and credit side 47,500. Now add all these expenditure side, that means debit side. Take the difference between these two sides, expenditure and income side. So we got to surplus, that means income is more than the expenditure. So we got surplus 2,300. So this will be written as answer to surplus balancing figure 2,300. So this surplus will be shown in the next step. Next steps we are going to prepare balance sheet. So just like that, last year how we have prepared final accounts, trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet. In profit and loss account, we used to get net profit or net loss. So this net profit or net loss transferred to capital account. If it is a profit, it will be added along with capital. So likewise, in this surplus amount will be added along with capital fund. So let me see how to prepare balance sheet. So right there, getting balance sheet of Ramanathapuram Sports Club as on 31st December 2018, segregate column, asset side and liability side. So look at the additional information. First one, capital fund. That means opening capital is given in the question itself, 30,000. Then bring the amount surplus which we got in the previous step under income and expenditure account, 2,300. Suppose if we met any deficit, it may be deducted from the capital account. So now we have to add and bring the amount, outer column, 32,300. Now look at that tabular column, 2019 subscription amount 16,000. This year itself we have received. So that means it is a liability for us. So show it under liability side, subscription received in advance, 2019 year subscription, 16,000. Then move on to other items what we have omitted under payment side, furniture. So they bought furniture, there we have omitted is an asset, show it under asset side, furniture 10,000. That also investment made also, there we have omitted because that is the rule. We should enter one and only revenue transaction. We should not enter capital transaction. So bring these two assets this side, balance sheet asset side, investment 28,000. Again, closing cash balance and bank balance 1,300 and 4,000. That balance BD/CD will be omitted while preparing income and expenditure account. Then look at that additional information. Closing stock of old sports material. Again, it appears under balance sheet. Year end, the value of sports material value shows 5,000. So automatically both the sides, asset side and the liability side, used to get balanced. Clear? Copy these answers in your class of notebook. Remaining sums we will discuss in next session. Thank you.